Hello. I'm just so pissed. कोई नहीं होता है. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So here I am Aditi Banik again up with a new video. So let's be honest, COVID has rise again and our overthinking has gone up to this level and our productivity has gone to this level. For me, I think I overthink 5 times a day or even maybe more than that. But it's very important to keep ourselves busy and just neglect, not kind of neglect, but at least avoid such negative things around us and focus on the positivity. For example, have a look the number of cases today, you will be like, oh shit. And if you have a look the number of people who have cured today, you'll be like, wow. So in this way you can go to the positivity side. This video is all about few things that you can do in this period, in this quarantine period. I know there are tons of videos saying that you should do this, that. I am nothing other than that. I am one of those only. I am telling you because there's nothing extra or something. It's just that my glimpse of thought. I will really request you to watch till the end. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get notified. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. We make a good activity. We always set our goals or target कि ये मुझे करना है, मेरा ये goal है मेरा. But when we can't reach the goal now, we just blame ourselves कि shit yeah, how I couldn't do it. But don't set goals this year or this period of time at least. Just set habit targets. Set up such kind of habit that would help you to reach to your ultimate goal. For example, if your goal is to finish this course by this day, for example by 30, you need to start from 10th at least. Make a habit that you will spend every day 1 hour or 2 hours on that. Then only you can finish it. Directly ऐसे 30 को करने से ख़त्म नहीं होगा. So that's the thing I'm talking about. Make up habits that will lead you towards your goal or target or help you in leading. अगर पूरा भी नहीं होता है ना तो at least it will be 99% done. So set up habits rather than. So set your habits. It's highly recommended. I feel it's high time that we move our lazy ass and get back into track by doing some physical activity. By physical activity, the first thing that we hit on our mind is workout. But honestly, I don't work out. I don't like working out at all. I don't like. For me, physical activity, it needs to be swimming or something. But unfortunately, swimming clubs are closed due to COVID, and which I totally understand. So I go for walking every day in the evening or in the morning. So that's the thing. Just do any kind of physical activity that you like, maybe cycling, gymming, whatever, skipping, walking, running, whatever you like, just do it because it's high time to move our ass. That's full 2020. We have done one thing, that is Netflix and chill and movie and chill. It's high time that you remove Netflix to a bit or slightly and bring some courses in. Just go to Udemy, Coursera or any other sites and take one course which will help you in upgrading your skills, because skills are very important. And yeah, of course, I'm not telling you that don't watch movies, don't watch Netflix or what, but make a timetable. For example, not a sort of time routine you can say. For example, today you will watch movie, then tomorrow we'll focus on the skill, because skills are very important. Academics के साथ skills बनाना is really important course today, and just focus on it and just complete it. Take a course in which you're interested or take a course related to your academics. It will really help you a lot. Give your time to something you love or make a hobby. Or do something creative, maybe it may be painting, dancing, singing, whatever you like, but give your hobby your time, because it is the high time to give your hobby a time. During our colleges, our work days, we couldn't give our hobbies our time. Maybe we cannot make up our time, or else we used to feel tired. But let's stop making excuses today and just give our time to our hobbies. It will do wonders. It will make you feel so good. Basic one, but I would suggest kindly sleep early. Means I cannot stick to it honestly. but I feel this works. Still, sleeping early is very very important, and if you're overthinker, then kindly please early. ऐसे जैसे रात होता है ना, ऐसे ओवर थिंकिंग बढ़ता है, इसलिए जल्दी सो जाओ, जल्दी उठो एंड जस्ट रॉक योर डे. इट विल जस्ट बी ऑसम. नो ओवर थिंकिंग, नथिंग. इट विल जस्ट गो स्मूथली. हम लोग उतना कुछ होता भी नहीं, फिर भी विथ ओवर थिंक सो मच दैट इट्स रियली hard. So it's something I don't know how many people will relate to or something. I think last year we have always we have indulged with people through we have give time to people, video calls and everything, your friends, and so many. It is really important to keep connected to our friends. It is really, I don't know how to say it actually. Basically I want to say that give time to yourself. Last year we have given time to people, though they don't have anything extra to tell. Okay, they're in the house, you're in the house, कोई extra conversation हो ही नहीं रहा, but it's right time, it's high and the right time to give yourself time. Give yourself time, understand yourself, boost up yourself. It will really work. Don't expect others to boost you. Like, boost up yourself. That's really important. Be self-independent. Don't others that people will boost me. That's never gonna happen. Just be with you. You need to be your best friend. That's it. Take care of any living being. A living being growing is really good. So take care of a living being. If you have a pet, then you have a good luck with you. Me, I don't have a pet, so I just take care of my plants. Honestly, I don't take care of them so much. Occasionally I take care of them, for example कभी मन हो गया, but I just, with me, I don't have my pets, so it needs to be my plants. I just take care of my plant. But just looking at them growing, it makes me feel so good. So just take care of a living being. It will just heal you. One would be start something new which you have been thinking of starting from a very long time and you are still thinking. Just start it. Just take your one step forward. Everything will be done so smoothly. If you're thinking of starting something and still you're thinking and getting the resources or thinking how to start, how can I do this, how can I not do this, just start. Just don't think. Just next one would be do some skincare. Just take care of your skin. Apply a face mask, apply a hair mask, or whatever that makes you. Do a pedicure, do a manicure, however you like it. I'm telling you, applying a mask will just boost you up. It's just a therapy to me. Skin, so just take care of your skin. The next one is something which is even more important than skincare. That is, take care of your mental health. Just take care of your mental health. Be at your own peace. Get out of all the toxicity of your life and just be at your own space. Just take care of your mental health, and yes, it is the most important thing. The next one would be start journaling. Just note it down. If you are ever feeling sad or even happy, and just note it down. Just take a normal diary, get a normal diary or a normal notebook and just write. And not need to be anything specific about it. It needs to be proper, sundar and all those things, because no one gonna ever read it. You are the only person who are gonna read it. Writing something which you cannot tell to anyone will just make you feel good, and whenever you will go back to those pages now, after a while you will just feel where I was and where I am. It is really important. Just write. However you're feeling, just write. I'll not say do daily journaling, but just do once a while, but just do. Whenever you are feeling too much happy, just write it down. Whenever you're feeling too much sad, just write it down. Whenever you will just have a flashback of those things and just see in your journal, you'll be like, where I was and where I am. I have grown up so much. So just do it. And the last one would be listen to music. Listen to your favorite playlist from Spotify, Wink, YouTube. There are many playlists. Just listen to them. Listen to some podcasts which will help you in making your mood happy, which will just cheer you up. Listen to music. Music is a therapy. Means it is already written in Google. The music is a therapy. Means, so just listen to music, listen to podcast. You'll just be okay. You'll just be fine. With this, we have come towards the end of the video. If you have liked anything about the video, kindly the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon so that we stay connected. And I keep feeling blessed for having you every time I post a video. Bye, my gems.